Now that you've already bought the wig or planning to buy one, you obviously want to know what are the do's and don'ts, what's the aftercare, how can you increase the life of the hair wig. Well, in this video, we're going to cover all these points. Well, let's start with the first point, storage part. So you need to understand if you have a longer wig, what you need to do is you need to comb the hair after you remove the wig, detangle the hair and try keeping it flat. Do not roll and twist the hair. If you keep it in a box and then remove it, again you will have to style it. So we strongly suggest you to get a wig stand and a dummy, and you on a regular basis you can keep this on the wig stand so that the hair is in place and doesn't get messy. Styling. Now every morning when you're wearing it, we strongly recommend you should just spray a little water and try to blow dry the hair a bit. Now when you blow dry it, it could be with a paddle brush or a round brush. This is just to make the wig look a little smoother because obviously it gets messy. This is just to give a little shine and keep the hair in place. You can blast dry the wig a bit and then blow dry it with the help of a round brush or a paddle brush to keep the hair in place and make it look more shiny. Shampooing and conditioning. How often should you shampoo and condition it? Well, if you do not use these hairsprays, you do not use these products, you don't need to wash these wigs very often. You can probably just do it once a month, but there is a way of doing things. So what you need to do is when you're doing this at home, so we highly recommend for the first few times, please send it to the salons who are trained with wigs. Now they will obviously know how to do this. So you need to first condition it, then comb it, then apply the shampoo and then condition it again. There's a technique of shampooing and conditioning a wig. You can do this at home, but if you're not very sure, we do not recommend, because if you do not do it the right way, the hair may get messy and it will get tangled. So just in case if you're doing it at home, what you need to do is first just put this on the wig stand, detangle the hair. If you feel that it's getting tangled, first apply the conditioner, then rinse it. Then you can probably shampoo, keeping the finger movement just in one direction from up to down. Then rinse the shampoo, again apply the conditioner. If possible, use these strong masks because they are quite strong. So you can apply the mask, leave it for around half an hour and then rinse it. After you rinse the conditioner, you need to blow dry the hair a bit because you need the hair to be in shape. So obviously if you just don't blow dry your hair, it will not look as natural. So we strongly recommend you must blow dry the hair of the wig after every wash. Don't use hot water while shampooing it. If you use hot water, this can damage the hair fibers and eventually it will damage the wig. So make sure when you're shampooing or condition it, only use cold water. Apply serum after every wash. Once the wash is done, you need to blow dry it. If possible, get it done in a salon. You want the blow dry to last for a longer time and you may not be able to do it professionally. So we strongly recommend get it done from the salon, and after the salon you can apply a bit of serum from middle ends to end to just add some shine. You need to understand that this wig is not growing out of the scalp. It's dead hair, so you obviously need to nourish it. You need to add some artificial shine to it by using these serums and some styling products. Use a white toothed comb. So you can see in the video, you need to use only these white toothed combs when you're combing this wig. If you're going to use the regular comb, this will end up getting knotted and it will just get messy. So we strongly recommend whenever you're combing your hair, just use the white toothed comb, that too from the ends and then moving up. Cover the wig with a piece of cloth when you're not using it. Usually what we recommend is every night when you remove it, you can just place this on the dummy and just put a piece of cloth in it so that it just kind of keeps the dust away. Things you should avoid. Just make sure when you're using these wigs, don't use too many styling products. In the process of removing these products, the hair also comes off. So we strongly suggest that you should not use very high styling products because you will have to shampoo it very often and the wig will thin out over a period of time and it will not last for a very long time. After you remove it, don't roll it and keep it. Like you saw in the previous point, that there's a way of keeping the wig. So every time you wear it, every time you remove it, you need to keep it on the dummy and then detangle it and then cover it. Do not just roll it and keep it in your cupboard because the next when you're wearing it, it will get messy and it will take really long for you to style it. Don't try to shampoo or condition it if you're not trained. What we suggest is giving it to a salon, and if you want to do it at home, first get trained, watch a lot of YouTube videos. How are you supposed to shampoo it? How are you supposed to condition it? How are you supposed to comb it? You need to train yourself and then experiment. These are expensive wigs. So if you do it in the wrong way, it may just get tangled and damage the wig. So if you have any more questions, please comment in the comment box and we shall answer all those questions. Thank you so much and please subscribe to Alchemy Hair Extensions.